Welcome back. And in this video, we are going to learn how we can do our port forwarding so we can connect our biometric machine, which is on a remote site. So, so easily we can route some port to our biometric machine through router. So we have discussed two model of connectivity, device connectivity, which is a LAN and also on a WAN. On a LAN local network, we have a PC and biometric machine which is connected through a switch. So one wire from PC and biometric machine come to in a switch, and that switch we can easily connect our device. So when you are in a WAN model, so there are two type. There are two model on a WAN connectivity. One is excuse me, CA link, dedicated link. So there is no need of to involve a router in that model. So the limitation of that link, the CA link, is that you cannot share your internet and you cannot publish or use other application on that model because the direct line is going to a biometric machine and you have to configure all the IP, DNS, gateway, and subnet mask on biometric machine. So your machine will connect and you can access the IP that you have been provided by live or static IP by ISP. So simply you can connect that device. But we are going to into model to discuss, which is routing with NAT. So we have to involve a router between biometric machine and ISP. So we can use our internet also and other application that we want to publish or use. So just like a web server and a DNS and FTP server if you have in your remote site. So this is the model and okay mm, and then next so we have a router which is a TP link router and which is connected through ISP and we are accessing the internet. So device connectivity on WAN through routing with NAT. Okay, so you have to access your web page on your Chrome, any browser that you are using, Firefox or Mozilla Chrome, or you have to access your router 192.168.1, which is router IP. So you can access the your port forwarding uh, TP link router model TL, this one. So this is a 300 multifunction wireless router. So here it is, we have a LAN interface. As we know that there are two interface of a router. One is a LAN and other one is the WAN. The WAN interface is connected to your ISP and LAN interface is connected to your internal network. So you have to just see that your IP address of LAN is this. No need of change here. And in next we have a WAN interface. So these are the settings that your router is accessing through DHCP dynamic host configuration protocol. So from your ISP. So no need of this IP will configure in our software. So this IP we will get in our software and we can access through this IP our biometric machine. Okay, just go to forwarding and forwarding you have to give your port and the biometric machine IP and protocol you have to select all protocol. So this is the simple way and how we can do and right now let's jump to our page. So type 192.168.1 on your browser, username, give the password. When you give your password, the landing page, the default home page will be land here. You can see LAN and it is a wireless using WAN interface. This IP is getting from ISP, which is a static IP. So again and again I'm calling that you have to need your static or public or private live IP to access the biometric machine from your remote site. So here is a LAN network. We have a WAN interface and a LAN interface. We do not require anything to change here. Just go to your forwarding and simply when you forwarding, so you can forward your port. So here is a two types of virtual server, are port ring or DMZ. So this is out of course DMZ and port rigging. Some router, this is a DSL router, and in some router we have to trigger our port before our forward. Before forwarding, we have to trigger. But this router is convenient when we will just forward our port in a virtual server. So go to virtual server. So it's a virtual server. You can see I have forward already a port, and let me delete this one, and I will forward the port, fresh new port, and service port 4370, internal port 4370, same IP address of your biometric machine is 192.168.1.10. And protocol, there are two protocol, TCP transmission protocol and UDP user datagram protocol. So you have to set both the protocols, and status is enabled. Common service port, no need of change. Just click on save. Your port is forward now. And now you can go to your, so simply you can go to your uh, software and type in a software, just give the this IP of WAN interface in a software, just give, and your port is forward. So we have just completed that. We are port forwarding. Okay. I will show you in the next video in a router that you can access that IP. Also, we will discuss other routers in next video that we can how we can forward some port. So this is a DSL router, and other router I will go to ADSL router. So how we can forward port on our ADSL. So till that, have a good day.